Well, the IRS, the Internal Revenue Service, announced the advanced child tax credit for taxpayers who qualify for the child tax credit. It will be sending monthly payments via direct deposit, paper check, or debit cards. So to discuss the child tax credit and what to know is Roseanne Freitas with the Better Business Bureau to tell us a bunch of tips on how we can stay safe during these payments. Good morning, Roseanne. How are you doing?
Doing great, Chris. Thank you.
Awesome. So let's talk about this child tax credit. So for people that don't know, what is the advanced child tax credit?
So the actual child tax credit is a credit that taxpayers receive who have children that meet the qualifications. Those kids usually they have to be under 18. They have to provide more than 50% of their support. The child themselves cannot be filing a joint return. So a lot of different qualifications. However, this year, something is different, and that is because of the American Rescue Plan. That allows taxpayers to actually receive that credit early. Normally, you wouldn't get it until you filed your taxes in 2022 for the 21 tax year. However, right now, they're going to allow people to start getting that credit early on July 15th. So they will receive a monthly payment so that they'll get 6 months of that credit in advance. So that's what it is. And that's the one thing people do need to understand is that actually they probably should talk to their tax professional about whether they should take that credit in advance or not. But that's what it is.
Yeah, so we're in a tricky time because we do need that kind of payment to help us out now, but we're also starting to reopen, so some people don't need it. So, but also lots of fraudulent activity can surround these type of payments. So, Roseanne, what should taxpayers know about what's surrounding this child tax credit?
Well, according to the FTC, we anticipate that there will be the same type of scams that we saw when it came to the PPP loans and the unemployment insurance. Anytime people can get money and there's a little bit of confusion and it's not normal, those con artists are going to step into the picture and they're going to really try to take advantage of it. So they're going to use the same playbook. And one of those is imposter scams. And that's where they actually pretend to be a government authority. And this one would probably be the IRS, pretending to be the IRS. And they would probably reach out and say that they could help you get that payment earlier or possibly get you more payment. So that is one of the things that we are concerned will happen as this starts to roll out.
Those imposters. So, Roseanne, we do want to protect ourselves. So what's the best way the consumers can protect themselves against this type of fraud?
Education. And the thing to know is that those government agencies are not going to call you. The IRS isn't going to pick up the phone and offer to help you get that money any faster. First of all, they just don't have the staffing to do it. So if you do receive a call, it is not the IRS, and that right there is a big red flag. But also be careful. They're not going to, in addition to calling you, they're not going to text you. They're not going to email you. If they communicate with you, it's via regular mail. So that's one thing to know. Anybody who actually solicits information from you that you didn't contact, be very careful about what information you give. Don't give them your social security number. They should know that, or bank account information, or any of your credit card or debit card information. And just be careful when dealing with anyone on the phone. The IRS has a website. You can actually go monitor a lot of things there and reach out on their website if you need to contact them.
So biggest red flag, IRS, they will not call you, only by mail, so email and text, definitely just stay safe. Thank you to Roseanne Freitas from the Better Business Bureau, always doing our homework, keeping us safe for all of these types of frauds that we're encountering. Roseanne, you have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Chris.